SpaceX Channel Weekly News Report as of October 2, 2021. A new Earth observation launch into space. A move to make more room in the International Space Station. SpaceX Crew Dragon return with valuable space station research to Earth.
And liftoff. Liftoff of an Atlas V rocket and Landsat 9.
Landsat 9 lifted off atop a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket from Vandenberg Space Launch Complex 3E at 19.12 BST on September 27. Satellite will capture agricultural productivity, forest health, water quality, coral reefs and glaciers. NASA has launched the latest mission in a 50-year unbroken line of satellites that monitor the Earth's surface.
On September 28th, aboard the International Space Station, 3 crew members, including our Mark Vande Hei, relocated their Soyuz spacecraft from the station's Rosvet module to the brand new Nauka multipurpose laboratory module. It is the first time a spacecraft has docked to Nauka. The move also frees up Rosvet for the October 5th arrival of another Soyuz spacecraft. A SpaceX Dragon cargo resupply spacecraft left the space station on September 30th to return more than 4,600 pounds of supplies and valuable science to Earth. The experiments include research on neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, a study that could help treat muscle atrophy in elderly people on Earth, and more. This was SpaceX's 23rd commercial resupply services mission for NASA.
Aerojet Rocketdyne Rs-25 rocket engine was tested on the A-1 test stand at the John C. Stennis Space Center in Mississippi, on September 30, 2021, at 1919 UTC. The test was conducted using the Rs-25 developmental engine No. 0528 and had a planned duration of 500 seconds. This Rs-25 hot fire test is the 7th and final test in the Retrofit 2 test series.
For the next few weeks, we will be mostly incommunicado with our fleet of spacecraft on and around Mars. This communications timeout happens about every 2 years during Mars solar conjunction, when Earth and Mars are on opposite sides of the Sun and can't see each other. Sending radio signal commands to spacecraft during this time is risky because solar activity can corrupt those commands and cause unexpected behavior. Researchers using data from our Hubble Space Telescope have determined that the wind speeds just inside the boundary of Jupiter's Great Red Spot are accelerating. Their research shows that the average wind speed in this region of the storm increased by up to 8% from 2009 to 2020. The massive storm spins counterclockwise at more than 400 miles per hour, and the vortex is bigger than Earth itself. NASA has transferred findings from the agency's Airspace Technology Demonstration 2 or ATD-2 project to the Federal Aviation Administration for nationwide implementation. Over the past 6 years, the project demonstrated this suite of airport operations tools at several U.S. airports to save fuel, reduce carbon emissions, and increase information sharing between the FAA and industry. Find out more at nasa.gov/aeronautics. On September 30th, our Armstrong Flight Research Center marked its 75th year of innovation, milestones, and discoveries. In its early history, the center helped achieve the first supersonic flight. Today, Armstrong continues its groundbreaking aeronautics research, as well as work in space transportation and in many Earth and space science missions. Check out go.nasa.gov/Armstrong75 for more about Armstrong's 75th anniversary.